To graph a linear equation, we assign values on either x or y and solve for the remaining variable. For example, if x is 0, y is equal to 4. If y is 0, x is equal to 2. If x is 1, y is equal to 2. And then we plot the points 0, 4, 2, 0, and then 1, 2. And then we put a line, and that's how we graph a linear equation. To graph a linear equation by slope-intercept form, we need to make the equation similar to this format, where m is the slope and b will be the y-intercept. So first we move 2x to the other side of the equal sign. It becomes 3y is equal to negative 2x plus 6, and then we divide everything by the coefficient of y. This becomes y is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 2. Now the y-intercept will be 2. It will be this. And then negative 2/3 is the slope, negative 2, negative 2, negative 1, negative 2, and then 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you connect the points. And that is your linear equation by slope-intercept form.